G'day, you absolute legends. Stu from UAV Futures here, back with an update video. And in this update, we've got the mystery box. We've got over $7,500 in donations. We've got some annoying news. We've got some quite sad personal news that I guess I'll talk about in a little bit as well. Also, what's coming up on the channel, where we've been, all that sort of stuff. But let's kick it off. First and foremost, I would like to say a huge thank you to each and every one of you guys, and I truly mean that from the bottom of my heart, because recently, in our most recent video, you can see a FPV community member, Malice Vex, his house burnt down, and that family lost everything. But thanks to you guys, there was a GoFundMe campaign, and they hit their goal. It was over $7,500 to help them. So that family, their Christmas is going to be a lot brighter. And because he's a close friend of mine as well, I would put in a bit of a pun, but let's not do that. Anyway, I digress. Some positive news about that family. That helped so much with getting their lives back on track. And I want to give a couple of specific shout outs. Number one, there was an anonymous donor of $1,500. So we don't know who that was, but a huge shout out to that person. I want to say thank you so much, because that is a crazy amount of money and you have no idea how much that family needed it. Phaser FPV, they also donated $1,000, and if you don't know Phaser FPV, they are an Australian store. I've been working with them in the past. I've done some reviews for them. They're a really straight up honest company. You should definitely go check them out and support a store. So buy your FPV products from them and support a store that supports members of the Australian FPV community as well. So if you want to check out Phaser FPV, please check that out down below. You probably see me, they're always on the gates that I'm flying around with. So they're the gates that I fly with, they're Phaser FPV gates. A huge shout out, and I know these people don't really want too much recognition, but a big shout out to Sandy and Russ, so the old man himself and the beautiful young lady. I'd never call Sandy old, but thank you so much. They sent through another huge donation as well. Just everybody in the FPV community, whether you shared the video, whether you helped spread it around, whether you donated your money, whether it was large or small, you guys together, the FPV community, made a difference, and we changed somebody's life. So that family's house burnt down, they lost everything, and they didn't have insurance, and because of this community that I feel blessed to be part of, we've changed their life and made their Christmas a little bit better and helping get their life on track. So that out of the way, let's move on to number two. We have this mystery box right here we're going to be opening at the end of the video, because this is sent from RS7 Driver, or Joe. We're going to be opening this up at the end of the video. I can't wait. I've probably had this for about 5 weeks now. It's just been a little, so we're going to be opening this, so I'm pretty excited about that. But the reason I haven't opened it, Joe, and some other people, and Stuart, what have you been doing? A bit of sad news for me is that my granddad died. So, and it was in a really sort of, it's taken a while. It was just in a really not great circumstance. So it was anyway, without getting into too many details, it wasn't a great time. So I've been helping my mum. You know, it's just been tough for everybody. So it's just taken a little bit. He was a really great man, and I just want to say to my granddad, thanks so much for believing in me, for loving me, for looking out after me. I know that, you know, growing up when we didn't have we didn't have lots of spare cash lying around, and, you know, single mum, all that sort of stuff. So I can remember I would get my shoes from my granddad, things like that. So thanks so much for my birthdays and Christmases, when I would get a new pair of shoes once a year. And they were like nice shoes. They were shoes, they were brand name shoes that I was really grateful to have when I was, when I was in school and stuff like that. So thank you for always being there, always helping us out, and just being a fantastic man and granddad. And I love you a lot, and I miss you. And you can see him, he's even been on the channel before. He was quite a lad, so he was just but it was a really nice man. So thanks so much, Granddad, for everything that you did, and I miss you. So I'm actually going to see Grandma for dinner tonight, so we'll be going around to talk to her and see her. So anyway, that's things have been a little bit hectic here on that end, just trying to hold some things down. Some things coming up on the channel. I do have a build that I put together recently. So it's not a build guide, but we've got some parts that I've put together. I've got some, and look, I know there's been a lot of products that been, Stuart, where's the video? It's coming. There's just, things happen in life, and I had to take a little bit of time to look after my family and my mum and my grandma and things like that. But I've got some avionic, or ovonic. I'm going to have to double check that. but I've been testing their batteries quite a bit when I've been doing my flying. Got some little car videos as well. I can't even remember if I've reviewed that or just filmed the video. So we do have a few things coming up as well. I want to say that I am at this point in my life when I've realized, and this is a message to everybody out here, here would be point number 3. Or point number 4, wherever we're up to, there's no point waiting around. There's never going to be a perfect time for me to make videos. Like in 2017, 2018, it was full steam ahead, but I didn't have kids. My life was very different. We were making heaps of videos. And now I feel like I've been waiting for the perfect time. Like, oh, I just got to do this. And then, somebody dies or somebody hit our car. And I've just spent the last hour on the phone this morning, getting the insurance and the tow truck company here to take our car away and get it repaired, blah, blah, blah. Stuff is always going to come up in life. So no longer am I going to be waiting for the perfect time to make videos. I'm just going to make videos. I'm just going to be like, well, I'm just going to get on with it. There's always going to be stuff in life. So if you're out there waiting for that perfect opportunity to start something, that something is now. And then let's get on with this bad boy. So I should say there's going to be more videos coming. I'm just going to get on with it. I'm just going to suck it up and get back to work. So I can't wait. Thank you so everybody. Thank you so much to everybody who's always been part of this channel. I felt nothing but love from you guys. So if you're part of the UAV Futures family, if you watch these videos, if you're subscribed, thank you so much. And let's get on with it. I've cut the details off here. This mystery box right here, we're going to be finding out what is inside. So let's do this. I don't know what this is going to be. Said I need to build it, so we might need to do a little bit of editing. And I hope my microphone is working. Okay. Ta-da. Imagine that. Imagine if it was like a glitter bomb or something like that. Okay. Oh, I see some power cords in here. All right, let's open this up. Whoa. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of padding in here, just like me. Stu, this is from RS7 Driver. All right, it says, oh my gosh. Let's have a look. Built and designed for the Sausage Master Stu, designed by RS7 Driver Stu. I hope this finds you well, and I hope this finds you well and healthy. Inside is a bit of my own creation. It took me several weeks to finish, which caused me to miss your birthday. Oh, okay, no worries. I included instructions for assembly and installation. In order to ship the product, I had to practically disassemble it. The one thing that isn't in the instructions is the connection between the top and the bottom parts. I labeled the 3 wires that need to be connected. It's a simple positive, data, and ground connection. I labeled them A, B, C. I would recommend pushing the 3 wires inside the letters, then connect them. Any excess wire can be pushed back inside the hollow portion of the letters. Once the top and the bottom part are assembled, be careful when hanging it on the wall. It will be solid once mounted, but the weight makes it flimsy when handling it. The power supply should be ready for 220 Aussie. Just require being plugged into the wall. If you have any issues, hit me up on Discord and we can schedule a voice chat session if needed. Hope you enjoy the new toy, my friend. Just wanted to say thanks for all you've done, for all you do, and keeping the live stream family alive and well. I know your previous year was crushing, but we're all here to help support you like a family should. Stay happy, my friend, RS7 Driver. So thank you so much, Joe. You are, and what a generous, kind soul, I should say, as well. Okay, look at this. We've got some full instructions, unpacking and assembly. Man, look at the detail he's gone into here. So, wait, Wi-Fi? Did that say Wi-Fi? Oh, no, okay. It is Wi-Fi? What have we got here? All right, that's a lot of instructions. Let's have a look. I'm opening this up. We've got some beautiful padding right here. Oh my Lord. Check this out. This is amazing. I love it. I absolutely love it. It's going to get pride in place. I'm going to be gentle here. I'm being very gentle. Oh my Lord. I don't know if I can, I can't get it. It's sat so nicely in here. I'm going to show you in a second. We basically have, hopefully you can see that, the UAV Futures logo. It's all going to be lit up. That's going to get pride in place on that wall right there. So thank you so much, RS7 driver. I can see LEDs all through it. It looks absolutely incredible. I love it. I absolutely love it. The best birthday gift I could ever receive. Please don't tell my wife that I said that, but I absolutely love this. So stay tuned for the next video when I'm going to be putting this together. Well, you will see it. It'll be up on the wall in the next video right there. Thank you so much, Joe. You are such a legend. So for everybody out there, I want to say subscribe for more FPV related content, because there is more content coming. I know I've been I don't think slack's the right word, but I'm ready now to do videos, to take charge of it, and just do the best that I can do. Big shout out to everybody who helped support Malice Vex and his house fire. There's some more content coming, like I mentioned. I miss you, Grandad. And other than that, subscribe for more FPV related content. Be kind to each other, but most importantly, be kind to yourself, because you deserve it. You guys are awesome. You are awesome. I hope you have a fantastic day, and as always, happy flying. I love this. This is incredible. My wife's gonna love this. I almost want to put this up in the house. Whoo, it's gonna look so good. All right, Grandpa, what did you think? Tell me about, for someone who's never done it, how would you describe it?
Well, I describe it as a very exhilarating experience. You know? I was very of the scenes that I saw, and I was able to see all the beautiful trees and the river, and look at this building here and admire it, and it was really fantastic.
Do you recommend people fly them or not fly them?
Well, if you incline that way, yes. If you're not given to, deep study of literature or painting or something like that, this would be a good thing to do. Yes.
Is it a good investment do you think it's a good way?
Time, a good investment of time, very worthwhile.
Okay.
Certainly keeps young people out of mischief, I would hope. Yes, yes. Worth $400. Oh yes, certainly be worth $400. But yeah.
All right. Would you do it? Are you interested in buying some?
Well, I'm more into the reading books and that.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm a little bit past flying, really.
Okay.
But it was very interesting, and once again, just impressed with my grandson, all the things he can do.
Yeah.
It's fantastic.
Can you say subscribe for more FPV related videos?
Subscribe for more SVP related videos. From Mr. Stuart McSpadden.
And as always, happy flying.
And as always, happy flying.
All right.
Don't crash very often.
Okay. All right, there we go.